We're here in Medellin and we're gonna go to the zoo here in Medellin. I wanted to show you guys another option for zoos in Colombia because I really like them, because out here in Colombia it's not about like having a zoo. All these animals are endangered animals and they bring them here and they take care of them. So this place is called conservation, like a conservation zoo. So I'm gonna show you guys what to expect when coming to the zoo in Medellin, and we'll see if I recommend it. Hey guys, so here are the prices. For kids is $15,000. I'll show what that is in dollars, and for adults $23,000, and they're open from 9 to 4. Oh, they have this beautiful kitty here. Can't wait to see it. It's gonna be an exciting adventure, going through the jungle and seeing all the kind of animals that they have at this conservation zoo.
O alimentarlos o tirarles cosas para que no tiren, porque muchos de ellos se pueden alterar, se pueden estresar bastante.
So she was basically saying that here at the zoo, try not to be doing loud noises or taking pictures with flash because that can scare the animals. I guess it's like a pretty up close encounter, not too close, but you know, somewhat up close. So here's the entrance and here's the map to the zoo. She also mentioned to keep to the right, always keep to the right to see the whole zoo, and you can see in the map it shows, you know, like always going to the right. There's a beautiful blue bird over there. I can't make noise. I said not to be making noise because then you startle them. There it is. He's looking this way now. Alright, so this is the bull with the big horns. Look at it. It's huge. Look at it. Look at the one over there moving. Oh wow, I didn't even see this bird. Look at this. Oh, he's beautiful. Looks like the Rio from the movie Rio, those birds. Here's the map again. They show, I guess they have it in different spots so that way you don't have to actually carry a map and you just be able to guide yourself through this map. And then this is what they meant by keeping to the right. Keep always to the right. Reminds me of a dinosaur. Look how tall that bird is. This is a corn snake. They said its belly gives off a texture of corn. What's in here? Guys, this is the animal kitchen. I guess this is where they prep the meals for the animals. That's so cool. I've never seen that before. Oh my god, there it is. There's the lion. Papi, mira, león. Here you go, guys. The hippos are coming. Wow. Wow, es más grande, mira. I think that's the male and the female, because the male looks way bigger. Mom, mira. You guys ready to see the tiniest monkey in the world? It literally looks like a hamster. There it is. It's so cute. They're only indigenous to where? Brazil and Colombia?
It says right here, Brazil, Peru, and...
Yeah, they're only indigenous in South America. The tiniest monkey. These are the monkeys from the movie right there. The Hangover. He's so cute. They were coming to us. Oh my god, guys, I've never seen an anaconda before. I'm about to show it to you guys. I've always seen like the other snakes, the bigger ones, but not an anaconda. I don't know if y'all can see that really well, but that's an anaconda. Oh, it's freaking scary. Oh my god, it's huge. So this is a fox. No, solo huele raro. Guys, look at the jaguar. He's sleeping. Look at these beautiful birds, guys. Look at the beautiful jaguar. Hey guys, they found this beautiful baby albino cat and they saved it and they've kept it here in the zoo. It was abandoned. It was like a baby, like a newborn. Look at him now. He's sleeping. So cute. These are the crocs. Crocodile.
Crocodile hunter.
Crocodile hunter.
The left one's moving a bit, make him more comfortable.
My husband's Australian. Hey guys, we're gonna look at this type of tiny amphibian. This little frog, look how little it is. Oh, there's two of them. Look at them. This is the poisonous frog. It ain't gonna poison us because this, with this shield here, that's a poisonous frog. Wow. These are the other ones. There's another one back there. And then one right there bathing in water. Oh, it moved. Poisonous. These are another poisonous frog. Rana venenosa. Where is it? Oh my goodness, there they are. So this one I don't think is poisonous. Look at them. This zoo is cat approved. Hey guys, so we are at a restaurant called Leonor and they actually happen to have like a 3-floor Colombian bandeja paisa. It's like the Colombia's national dish that comes with like rice, beans. It's got an avocado, it's got an arepa, an egg on top, it's got pork, sausage, beef. It's a huge plate, it's really big. I highly recommend that you share that with somebody. So this one comes in 3 floors, like a 3-tier, like a cake, 3-tier. So at the bottom it has the rice, in the middle the beans, and on top the big chicharrones. So I wanted to come here and show it to you guys and see if I recommend it to you guys, so that way when you guys come to Medellin you can come and check this place out. To start off, I ordered the blackberry juice. Right, Mora's blackberry? Blackberry juice, pretty thick, as you can see. It's very good. I love how they serve it in this little thing here. It's really cute and it's very good, and it's made in milk. You can always order it in milk or water on your preference. It's really good. So when my plates come out, I'm gonna show it to you guys so that way you guys can see what to expect if you guys come here, and I'll recommend it to you guys. So this is the restaurant. It's decorated very Colombian traditional style. It looks like someone's house, like the aunt or grandma's house here in Colombia. So if you have an aunt in Colombia or a grandma, this is what their house usually looks like. A bunch of pictures, somewhat, I don't know, country-like decorations. The chairs look like kind of like if they're like antique. So this is what my aunt's house would look like. That's the whole point. The name of the restaurant is My Aunt Leonor. So this is the meal my mom got. Comes with the plantain on top, rice, and different kind of meats. And then you put it into the beans, put it all together. So here comes the 3-floor or 3-tier bandeja paisa. Hey guys, so my final thoughts in that restaurant was I do not recommend it at all. Nothing tasted fresh. It was really horrible. one of the soups that I was giving my son was actually bad, like rotten. It was horrible. I had to return it. I said, I don't want anything else. I don't recommend it. The service wasn't the best either. And they still asked me, are you still gonna pay for the soup? And I'm like, no, it's bad. I'm not paying for something that's bad. But, you know, they took it out of the tab, but I don't recommend it. This place has 4.3 stars. It's got a lot of good reviews. I don't know how, because we didn't have a good experience in there. The food was horrible. Nothing was fresh, like I said. And it was rotten soup.